Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yummy, delicious and moist banana bread. Without wasting your time, let's get started. And here are all the ingredients I'll be using for the banana bread. And I'll start first by sifting my flour into the mixing bowl. After which I will add a teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and the cinnamon powder. I will leave all the ingredients I'm using in the description box below. Do check that out. Then I will mix together, set it aside, and then we go into the wet ingredients. I'll peel and add in some bananas into another bowl and mash. I'm using about 6 medium-sized bananas, well-ripe bananas. The mixing bowl didn't want to stay one place, so I had to place a towel under it to sit it at a place. After mashing the banana for some time, I'll then add in some sugar. Next, I'll go in with some eggs. Mix it very well and then add vegetable oil, milk, and the vanilla extract. After mixing everything very well, I'll then gradually join the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. Marry them very well. And I'll be using these foil pans to bake the bread. I will grease the pan with some vegetable oil and also sprinkle some flour on it to prevent the bread from sticking in it. Next, transfer the batter into the baking pans. And here we have it. I'll be adding coconut flakes in one of the plates and I will leave the rest plain. You can add any nuts or any fruits, dry fruit of your choice. It, it is now time to bake our banana bread. And here we have our banana bread well baked after about 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Allow it to cool down, then cut your bread and enjoy. You can see how it looks so beautiful and it's also tasted so delicious. Everyone enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Please do it now. Thank you. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.